Hi, welcome to Medi Wellness, the kitchen segment. Today we want to show you how to preserve Managu, that is African nightshade, through sun drying. And this is good for future use. This method is good if one has excess vegetables, like in the times of harvesting. 2, when one does not have a refrigerator or the refrigerator is small. 3, when facing uncertainties. Currently, the whole world is in a COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, and in some places, it's hard to go out and get fresh vegetables every time. So, we start by preparing the vegetables and washing them thoroughly. After washing them thoroughly, we remove excess water. Boil water separately and add in a spoon of salt. Put in your managu in the salty boiling water and let it boil for 2 minutes. Remember, you're not cooking, you're just blanching. Now, blanching is good because it kills off the surface bacteria, and 2, it preserves the green color of the vegetables. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat and remove the vegetables from the water immediately. Drain off all the excess water and have already cold water waiting so that you can put in the cold water immediately. As you finish draining the excess hot water, throw in the cold water. Some people prefer iced water, but I think running water does well for me. Ensure it is very cold, yes, and then drain off all the excess water and place them on a clean surface, maybe on a tray or on a rack on which you will dry this vegetable. This is our day 0. So we'll take the vegetable out in the direct sunshine or in a shade but outside. By the end of day 1, you will see that it's almost dry, but the stalks may still have some water. By day 2, it's more drier, and day 3, it is very crunchy. However, some places you might only need 2 days to dry it completely, but depending on the temperatures where you are, it might take 2 to 3 or 4 days to totally have it dry. When to pack depends on the place that you are, because some places are very hot and this managu will be dry within the first or the second day. So, as long as it is very dry and brittle or easy to break, then you know that it is dry enough for packing. Put in airtight bottles or brown paper bags, which you have written the name of the vegetable, the date that you have packed, and you fold it nicely and seal, ensuring that no air is left in. Prepare a place to keep or to store your vegetables and store in a cool, dry place and away from direct sunlight. You see, there are many other vegetables there. As long as they are well dated, you can always start using first in, first out. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medi Wellness cares for you and your family.